traders want to take your trading to the next level and experience rapid gains? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share a risky but high reward strategy that can take your portfolio from good to amazing in no time. I will not be making any cuts in this video, so you'll be able to see the entirety of the searching process, etc. This is the strategy I used when I had a limited wallet. I lost many times, but at the end of the day, it worked. I made times 20 in only 3 days. Now let's get into the video. This strategy is all about the Commodity Channel Index, also known as CCI. In simple terms, we're looking for the extreme conditions because that's when the market has potential to reverse, giving us an opportunity for fast trades. The reality is that the market doesn't like extreme conditions and it will always go back to a neutral state, and that's exactly why we want to take advantage of these opportunities. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is, but it's also really risky. This strategy works best when you can identify the key points and act fast before the market returns. It's all about moving fast and seizing the moment. But remember, this is a high-risk strategy, so you've got to remember to move fast and manage your trades wisely. But if you're looking for rapid evolution in your trading account, this could be perfect for you. Now we will jump into the market and I will show you how to use this strategy correctly. Before we get into it, I have a plus 100% bonus code for 30 people. If you want to test this strategy and get plus 100% bonus on your account, just hit me up with a private message on Telegram. This is your chance to double your portfolio and see how this can work for you. So now I'll make my deposit and we can get started. So I will invest 250, so I start with around 500, and as you know, with the promo code I get plus 100% on the investment. Okay, so let's start. Don't forget that this is an extremely risky strategy. I invest 250, so 500 with the bonus, and I aim to either get 2,000 or lose everything entirely. So for the indicator, we will use CCI, and I'll be setting it to minus 200 and 200. And if you're wondering why, I'll break it down. When the CCI hits minus 200, it indicates the market is oversold. And when it reaches 200, it means the market is overbought. So now let's search for the market's extreme conditions. Ton was interesting, so I'll be adding it to my favorites, and I'll explore other markets just in case. Okay, as you can see, the CCI has already impacted the market and it has created a red candle, so I'll be exploring other markets. So in this market, we have a really good opportunity, so I'll be making a trade. And now I've made 2 mistakes purposefully. The first mistake was not waiting for CCI to reach overbought. I was just waiting for it to get closer, but I wasn't patient enough. And if you can spot the second mistake, let me know in the comments down below. I'll review it in just a bit. So the second mistake was that the time parameter was wrong. Make sure before you trade that the time parameter is aligned with the time under the candle. So here I'll make a trade because we're an overbought. I also made 2 other trades because the previous one was unsuccessful. Okay, so as you can see, we won 2 trades, so I'll be staying in the same market just to check if there will be any other opportunities for me. So let's do a test drive. Let me know in the comments below, should I trade up or down? I will choose one person with the right answer to win $30, and the results will be in my Telegram channel in the description. The CCI did go overbought and I just made another trade. Okay, so the trade was really successful and we'll be moving on to a different market. Okay, so this market is good and the CCI is an overbought, so I'll be taking another trade. Okay, so here we won the trade. Okay, so here we have another great market oversold. Okay, and we have an alert that there's another good market and we'll be taking an upside down trade. Okay, so both trades were unsuccessful, so I'll be taking a double trade on both markets, which means 4 trades. By the way, if you want to copy my trades and be part of exclusive challenges where we aim to increase your amount times 10 in just a few hours, join my Telegram now. It's in the description below. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your trading skills with me. And if you want less risky trades, you can also count on me. I give both risky and cautious trades so everybody wins. Now, let's get back to business. Okay, so all of the trades were successful and now we have plus 50% on the wallet. So if you put $10,000, you'll be at $15,000 in only 10 minutes. This is a good trade because it's oversold. And this was a successful trade. And now we can search for another market. So I decided to keep an eye on the same market, and I see that we have a trade to make. So here we have another opportunity that's double trades. We'll just wait and see how this plays out. Okay, so 1 win, 1 loss. Let's continue. And here we have an excellent market, so I'll be making 2 trades. The 2 trades were unsuccessful, so I'll be taking 4 trades on the next candle. The trades will end in a few seconds, so we'll wait to see the results. And it looks like we've won. So we're already at $1,000, which is plus 100%, and we'll be making another upward trade. The trade is successful, so we'll be checking other markets. So here we have another good opportunity, and if we win, we'll be officially over $1,000. Remember that we only started off with $250, which is already times 4 the investment, which is absolutely amazing. And the trade is a win, so we're officially over $1,000. And we have a really nice opportunity here. Let's wait to see the results. So here the candle scared me a bit, but it went down just as I thought. So I lost this trade, but I will wait for a good entry point and make 2 trades. And the 2 trades were a win. And a positive opportunity overbought. And the trade was successful yet again. A promising opportunity oversold. To 1, I lost a trade, so I'll be taking another 2 trades. So the 2 trades end in a few seconds, and we'll see how it turns out. And it seems like a perfect win. Oh no, so the 2 closed trades ended in neutral, so I'll be taking another 3 trades in the next opportunity. Okay, so the 3 trades were a perfect win. So now we're at $1,500, which is times 3. But remember, we started off at $250, so it's actually times 6. In only 20 minutes, it's absolutely crazy. Here we have a good opportunity oversold. Okay, so we won the trade. As I told you, it's either we lose everything or we get to $2,000. We have done times 4 on $500, times 8 on the original investment in only 20 minutes. So you can see why the strategy can be so useful. And if you started with $1,000 investment, you would already be at 8,000. So this is the end of the video. If you want to copy my trades and have the same results as me, feel free to send me a message on Telegram.